If you're a WordPress user and you'd like to shorten your URLs, this video is for you, so stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mac from WP User TV. In this video, I'll be talking about a plugin called Pretty Links. Now, why would you want to shorten your URLs? So let me give you a scenario here. Maybe you might want to say promote products using affiliates. Sometimes you get a massive URL which is full of text and numbers, which is very, very difficult to memorize. In fact, let me show you an example here. So I'm an affiliate of this company called KW Finder. So you can see here that I have these tracking codes and this is the URL that they have provided for me. Now, if I use this URL, this is how they find or they can track that the person that has bought this service was from my URL. So this is unique to me. Now, as you can see, if you're doing a video, for example, and you say to people, right, can you go to that link? It's A598, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it doesn't sound, professional. So ideally, you want something that is very short, very easy to memorize, and something that you can use quickly. And on top of that, you can also track your own stats and see how you're performing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this code and I can show you how you can apply this and use it on your own WordPress website. So I'm just going to minimize this now and go onto my website. So if you want to learn more or you want to read more about this plugin, you can go to prettylinks.com. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into my website. I'm here in DIVI University. So if you want to install Pretty Links, it's very straightforward. All you need to do is to come over here to plugins and then click on add new. So in the search box, all you have to search for is Pretty Links. And the first one that shows here is the actual one. So as you can see here, I've already installed it and it's also active. And now this plugin is free and it really does the job, but they also have a paid version, which I'll do a video of in the upcoming episode. So today we're just talking about the free version. Okay, so let me show you how to use this. So I'm going to come over here to Pretty Links. And once you've activated the plugin, you have this addition of an entry here on the left, which is called Pretty Links. So I'm just going to click on Pretty Links here, and then I'm going to show you how to add. Now over here, I already have two links that I've added just to test and make sure that this is working fine. So you can see here, I have all my clicks. So if I click here to view, it actually shows me how many times this link was clicked. So you can see here, this was clicked 4 times, and it also shows you this IP address. You can also download this information to your CSV file if you want to. So I'm just going to go back, and then over here, if you mouse over this area here, you also get these extra options. So you can actually tweet this link if you wanted to, and you can see here it pulls it out as it is, and you can just tweet that link. Okay. Also, you can go in and edit this host and change the URL. So what I want to do now is to add a brand new link. So I'm just going to click here and add a new Pretty Link. So I'm going to click add Pretty Link. So I copy my affiliate URL. So all I'm going to do now is to paste it here. And this is where the target URL goes. So I'm going to paste it like that. And then over here, the Pretty Link, this is where you decide what you want the link to be. So here, because this is the keyword finder, I'm just going to call this keyword like that. And then I won't even need to go to all these advanced options. So if I just come in here, in fact, I could just give it a title and just call this keyword finder like that. I can make some notes if I want to. And then all I have to do now is to click on create. So now that it's created, you can see it's right here at the top, and currently there are no clicks on it. So now this is the link that you give people, or that's the link you can actually put in your blog or on social media. So you can see here, this is much, much easier to track and say. So let's say I need to promote this service, which is Keyword Finder. All I have to do now is to add that URL, which is diviuniversity.com/keyword. anywhere that I need to use it. This could be maybe even on social media or on my own blog. So in most cases, how I use it is I say in my videos, use the KW Finder. I have an affiliate link, and if you want to go ahead and use it, you can go to diviuniversity.com/keyword. So this is the actual link that I've just created using Keyword Finder. So this is what makes it easier. It looks professional and it just looks unique to you. Now, before I used to use services like the Google free one, and I also used to use Bitly. I know it comes with a lot more stats and a lot more bells and whistles, but this is unique because you can make this name from your actual domain name. As in this case, we have diviuniversity.com/keyword. So this is how I use Pretty Links. So I really recommend this if you're if you promote affiliates, or if you want to make specific URLs look professional. So this is your keyword shortener. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more about web design, I have a free course that I'm giving away called WordPress Mastery. This is 100% free. The link is in the show notes below. Go to that and sign up for the course and learn how to master WordPress. If you also want to learn how to design websites using Divi, I also have a course that I have on diviuniversity.com. So head over there. There's a discount which will help you get started straight away. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.